workman under the wholesale plan and as well as row 1 plans. Total earning divided by time taken. 2 by 50, it will be how much? If you simplify this, you will get around 519. Time taken into hourly rate plus half of the time saved into hourly rate. Hello everyone, this is your Adarsh sir, lecturing Vidhyaashram First Grade College, the Temple of Excellence. So we are in the session 12 of your topic called labor. Now, labor which comes under your unit 4 of accounting. Now, your subject is called as accounting. Under accounting, we have unit 4. Under unit 4, we are talking about your topic called labor. Now, in the previous session, session 1, we completed with your theory part, and it is not session 1, session 10. Session 10, we discussed about your theory part. Session 11, we discussed about problems on labor. And now we are in the session 12. We will discuss about, the second type, not second type, like the extra adjustment, whatever you may get in the topic called labor. So what is the agenda for the day? The agenda for the day is very simple. We will understand the concept as well as we will work out the problems. Now, so this will be your problem. Problem number 2. Calculate the total earning and the rate earned per hour of 3 workmen. We are calculating wholesale as well as row 1 for 3 persons. It will be per hour of 3. Workman under the wholesale plan and as well as row 1 plans. Now, standard time will be given what? Standard time will be provided 20 hours. What is the standard time? 20 hours. Now, hourly rate of wages is 15. Per hour, he will be paid how much? 15 rupees. Now, what is the time taken? A has taken 16 hours. B has taken 10 and C has taken 8 hours. Now, we'll calculate how many hours they have saved. We'll have a normal presentation there, but here, our understanding purpose, we'll calculate how many hours each worker saved. Like, so how to calculate each worker, how many hours he has saved? We are supposed to minus. We are supposed to deduct from standard time or standard time given by the company. Similarly, whatever the standard time provided supposed to be deducted. Like in this, the standard time is given 20. The actual time they have taken is 16. Now, 20 minus 16, first person has saved almost 4 hours. Second person has saved almost 10 hours. And the third person almost saved 12 hours. So 4 hours, 10 hours and 12. See, they have given 20 hours to complete, but he has completed in only 8 hours. They have given 20 hours to complete, but he has completed only in 10 hours. They have given 20 hours to complete, but he has completed in what? 16 hours. These are the information they have provided. According to this, we are supposed to calculate your wholesale plan as well as your row 1 plans. Now, these are the informations we have wholesale as well as row 1. As I told you, whatever the right side you have, those are your working notes, and whatever you have in the left side, those are your actual answers. Now, first I'll go for working note. Later I'll come back for your answer. Now, what is your working note? Whatever is there in the question, we have to extract first. Now, in this, time taken 16 hours for A, for B 10 hours and for C it is 8 hours. It is already given in the question. Same thing we have copied. Now, standard time it is 20 hours. What is the standard time? 20 hours. Now, what is the hourly rate? The hourly rate we call it as 15 hours. What is the hourly rate? We call it as 15 hours. So these are the informations we have along with that time saved. Standard time minus time taken. What is the time saved? Standard time minus time taken. As per this, how do we calculate? Simple. Your A 20 hours minus 16, 4. This is 10. This is 12 hours. These are the times saved by individual worker. I'll go back to this. See, whatever we calculated 4 hours, 10 hours as well as 12 hours. 4, 10 as well as 12. These are the times saved by them. Hope you understood. Now, once you're done with your working note, we'll go to your normal problem, normal answer. Now, as per this, what is the total earning you have? In this, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Again, I'll repeat, time taken into hourly rate plus half of the time saved into hourly rate. Now, A is equal to how much? Time taken 16, hourly rate is 15. Where do you get all this information? Go back to your question. In the question, they have given hourly rate is 15 and time taken will be 16, 10 as well as 8. Similarly, time taken and hourly rate, time saved. Where did you get time saved? Just now we calculated like these are the time saved 4 hours, 10 hours as well as 12 hours. Now, so 4 hours he has saved 10 hours and he has saved around 12 hours. Now, 16 multiplied with 15, it will be 240. This will be 240 plus 15 into 4. How much? 60. Half of the 60 how much? 30. So 240 plus 30, you will get around 270. Now, once you're done with this, we'll go for B. Under B, what happens? 10 multiplied with 15, it will be 150. Similarly, 10 multiplied with 15, it will be how much? 150. What is the half of 150? 75. So 150 plus 75, you will get around 225. What is your answer? 225. Your answer is 225. Now, similarly, if you go, you will go for C. So what is C? 8 multiplied with 15 and 12 multiplied with 15. 8 into 15, how much you will get? 120. 12 into 15, how much you will get? 180. Now, half of the 180, how much? 90. Your answer 90 and here 120. 120 multiplied, add addition to 90, how much you will get? You will get 210. Just I am explaining this thing. Why? Because there is nothing much concept in this. Already you know the concept and already you know the formula also. Just simplifying with numbers. Now, what is the answer? 270, 225 and 210. These are called as wholesale plan. Now, we'll move for the loan plan. Now, as per the loan plan, what happens? Total earning is equal to time taken into hourly rate, time saved divided by standard time. Similarly, time taken into hourly rate. Now, what is your time taken? 16. What is the hourly rate? 15. Same thing will be copied. 16 and 25. Now you calculate what is this? Time saved is 4 and standard time is 20. Similarly, 16 multiplied with 15, how much? 240. 16 multiplied with 15, how much? 240. 4 by 20. If you do this calculation, you will get 48. This one as it is 240. Add both. How much you will get? You will get 288. This is all about your answer for row 1 plan for E. Now, similarly, we'll do it for B as well as C. Now, we'll go for B. Under B, what happens? Same formula. Time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. Time saved divided by standard time. Now, Time taken 10 hours, hourly rate 15. Time taken 10 hours, hourly rate 15. So actual it was given 20. He completed in 10. How much he saved? He saved around 10 hours. Now, in this 10 hours he has saved, divided by 20. What is the answer? As per this, you will get 150. As per this, you will get 75. 150 plus 75, your answer will be what? 225. Any doubt? Hopefully, there is no doubt. Now, 225 we got. Similarly, we will calculate C. C is equal to 8 multiplied with 15. 8 multiplied with 15. Now, if you multiply this, it will be 120. If you calculate this, it will be 72. 120 plus 72, it is how much? You will get 192. Hope you understood. This is all about your row 1 plan. A already calculated. Now we are calculated B as well as C. Once you're done with your normal earnings now we are moving towards what? Earning per hour. Now I'll go back to this. So as per wholesale plan, we got 270, 225, 210. These are the income under wholesale plan. Under row 1 plan, we got 288, 225 as well as 192. These are the income under row 1 plan. So whatever answer we got, that is per day. We don't want per day, we want per hour. How to calculate? So whatever income you have earned divided by number of hours he has spent, then you will get per hour what will be the salary. Earning per hour. Now total earning divided by time taken. Total earning divided by time taken. This will be your calculation or answer. Now, as per this wholesale plan, first, as you know, it is 270, 225, 210. Where did you get all this? I'll go back. 270, 225 as well as 210. 270, 225 as well as 210. What is the number of hours? He has taken 16 hours. 10 hours and he has taken 8 hours. If you divide, what you will get? This will be 16.88. This will be 22.5. This will be 26.25. Mr. A will get 16 rupees change per hour. B will get 22.50 and C will get 26.25. These are the informations we have as per your wholesale plan per hour. Now we'll talk about your second person or second type, that will be what? Row 1 plan. Under row 1 plan, we got answer 288, 225, 192. Just now we calculated, see, 225, 192. These are the answers. Number of hours they have taken, there are no changes as it is 16 hours, 10 hours and 8 hours. How do you calculate? 288 divided by 16, 225 divided by 10 and 192 divided by 8. If you calculate this, you will get 18 rupees, 22.5 and 24 rupees per hour. It is left to the proprietor. They can go for wholesale plan, they can go for row 1 plan. If they have opted wholesale plan, they are supposed to pay 16.88 per hour. 22.50 per hour, 26.25 per hour for A, B as well as C. Similarly, if they have opted for row 1 plan, they are supposed to pay 18 rupees, 22.5 as well as 24 rupees per hour. Now, whatever we have calculated, that is all about your problem number 2. At the end, I will come back to take screenshot. So later you can take a screenshot. Now we'll move towards your problem number 3. Now, under problem number 3, from the following, calculate each worker the total earning under wholesale plan and row 1 plan. You're supposed to calculate wholesale as well as row 1. So now we are in problem number 2 or as per this problem number 3. Now, Your particulars, we have worker A, we have worker B, we have. How many workers we have? 2. First person will be A, second person will be B. Now, basic wage rate per day. First person will get 10, second person will get 15. In the earlier problems or old problems, we used to get per hour, they are supposed to get equal. But for A, maybe he is the less experienced or new person. B may be the new person. So B is getting 15 rupees and A is getting rupees 10. Now, unit produced. So in this they have not given standard time. Standard hour not given. Remember, standard hour is not given. So if standard hour is not given, what to do? How to calculate this? Now, whenever the standard hour is not given, they will give you information about your unit produced, time allowed. These information will be given to find out standard hour. Remember, to find standard hour or standard time, ST. Now, in this, how to calculate? They have given number of units produced. Like if there are common people, they will spend almost 2 hours to produce 100 units. 2 hours to produce 100 units. You have produced 2600. So how many hours you have taken? I'll show you the calculation. Simplest, easy one. Remember, 100 units is the base. That is the base to calculate standard time. 100 should be what? Denominator. For how many hours? 2 hours. For 2 hours, if it is 100, how much for 2600? Easy. Simple calculation. Again, I'll show you. If 2 hours for 100 units, how much for 2600? This is a calculation for A. Any doubt? No. How to calculate for B? You can only tell me same thing what we did for A, same thing we'll do it for B. 100 for how many hours? 1 hour. 1 hour it is 100. You are producing how many units? 3600. So this must be 2006. Hope you understood. Like this, you have to find out your standard hour. So hope you understood how to calculate. Like this, you are supposed to calculate. Now, first we'll go for the working note. Later, I'll come back for the answer. Now, as per the working note, whatever information they have given, we'll take it first. Now, A has taken 50 hours, B has taken 30 hours. These are information given in the answer question itself. Now, similarly, standard time we are supposed to calculate. How to calculate standard time? As per this, standard time we are supposed to calculate like just now I have showed you how to calculate 2 divided by 100 into 2600. Similarly, 2 divided by 100 into 2600. What is your standard time? As per this, your standard time is 52. But A has taken 50 hours, but standard time is 52 hours. So almost he has saved 2 hours. The 2 hours we call it as time saved. The standard hours we have calculated. The actual hours taken, it is already given. The difference between standard as well as actual, we call it as time saved. Similarly, we'll go for B. The B calculation will be the same calculation. You will get 36 hours as per the standard time. Now, 36 hours is the standard time. What is the actual time? The actual time given in the question itself, it is 30 hours. Now, the actual time is 30, but the standard time is how much? 36. Almost he has saved 6 hours. Now, The first person, he has saved 2 hours, and the second person, he has saved 6 hours. So these are the extra calculation you are supposed to remember. Now, this is all about your calculation of standard time. Hope there is an extra adjustment. As I told you, along with problem, we will understand or we will learn concept also. These are the concepts you are supposed to learn in today's session. Now, we done with working note. We'll come back to your problem. Now, as per this problem, what is the formula for your row 1 or Halsey plan? Now, we have only 2 workers. First person will be A and the second person will be B. As per A, time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. Remember, the time saved into hourly rate should be calculated half. Half of the amount we are supposed to calculate. Now, 50 multiplied with 10, 2 multiplied with 10, your answer 20, your answer is 500. Now, whatever answer you got 20, we are supposed to take only half. Now, half of the 20 we comes around 10 and this will be 500. If you add both, it will come 510. What is the answer for A? The answer for A is 510. Similarly, we'll come back for B. The B is time taken into hourly rate, time saved into hourly rate. If you multiply, you will get 90. Half of the 90, how much? 45. Now, 45 plus 450, you got answer around 495. Hope you understood. This is what we call it as your Halsey plan. Under Halsey plan, we calculated for A and we calculated for B. Now we'll go for your second as well as last one, your row 1 plan. What is this? Row 1 plan. What is the formula for row 1 plan? As you know, it is the easiest one. Time taken into hourly rate, time taken into hourly rate. Along with that, we also consider time saved divided by standard time. Remember, time saved divided by standard time. Now, we will simplify or we will implement the numbers into the formula. Now, time taken 50, hourly rate is 10. Time taken 50, hourly rate is 10. 2 by 50, it will be how much? If you simplify this, you will get around 519. Similarly, if you go for B, simplify this and multiply this, you will get 450 and 75. The final answer will be 525. Now, this is all about the answer under your row 1 plan. Now, so this is all about your row 1 as well as Halsey plan. I'll go back to all these slides. If you want, you can take screenshots. So this is your problem number 2, the question part. So the solution part 1, part 2 of your solution. So this is the last part of your solution. Now we are under problem 3. The question for problem 3, you are supposed to calculate your time saved also and your solution part. The next part of your solution. So this is all about your today's session. We done with your Halsey as well as row 1 plan. And the new concept you have learned for the day, what it is. It is nothing but the time saved. Usually in the previous problem, they used to give the time saved. But in this problem, you are supposed to calculate time saved. That is the only new concept you have learned in today's session. We'll do another 2 or 3 more sessions for this particular topic so that you will understand better in the topic called labor. Thank you.